Good morning guys, and welcome to my video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be a get ready with me. It's just going to be a chill get ready with me. We're just going to talk about things and drink some coffee and put some makeup on. So if you're in the mood to get ready, please grab your drink of choice and let's go. So to prime my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin, the Instant Pore Eraser primer. I have spoken about this one before. It's a drugstore primer, obviously Maybelline, and it is amazing. It really works really well. I think it's pretty much similar to Tatcha, except Tatcha is more of like creamy, it's more creamier, expensive. This is more gel silicone like. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. This is the oil-free one. I'm in the shade Medium. I absolutely love this foundation. When I use foundation, I always need to use 2 pumps because my face is just, I don't know, it's a mixture of being too big and also too many imperfections. So what can you do but put 2 pumps on? I don't know. I just love that foundation. It honestly just looks so nice and natural on the skin. It's so good, and I can wear it for 12 hours a day and work in heat, and it's just all good. Obviously other products that I use help that longevity wear of the foundation, but it's honestly just one of the very few that I like to take with me to work. Now for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define. I've got the shade C8.5. Does anyone else have this issue where they feel like their face changes? Like my eyes, I feel like they're getting droopier, like they're kind of sinking down on the ends. Does no one else? I don't know. That's just how I feel. So before I go in with setting powder, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Tan Tall Contour and Bronzer Cream. I got the shade Light, and this just really warms up my face. I also don't know if I said it before, but the look I'm just going for today is just a very natural look. Look at the difference in my face between this face and this side, and this just looks like warm, defined. Try to hide the double chin that, you know, doesn't want to be hidden, doesn't want to go away. And call her Beatrice. She's just there, hanging out. I mean, if you love something, why would you not want more of it, right? I don't know. Alright, so now that I've just warmed my face up, I'm going to go in with the Hoola by Benefit bronzer, and I'm just going to go over that just lightly. Okay, so now to set the face, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty, and this is just the Pro Filter setting powder in butter, and I'm just going to bake. So I'm going to grab my Morphe sponge. Alright, so now for eyeshadow, I'm just going to go in with this Revolution palette by collab with Roxy, and I'm just going to go in and use like this shade, maybe this and this, Just some very simple, everyday, natural just look. So the next step is I'm going to curl and put mascara on. The mascara of choice today is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. So you have one side that volumes and one side that lengthens and curls. You get the drift. I'm just going to brush this powder off now. So I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. You know, everyone's favourite. Just to get that powder set and sunk into my skin nicely. And then I'm going to do my brows. And I've been really into the Tarte Big Ego like pomade and then the brush. I'm quite fortunate because my eyebrows are very thick and quite full now, so I don't really have to do too much to them. So that's one pro, like one thing I love about my eyebrows. Alright, so for the next step I'm going to blush, and it's the Kylie blush, which is in the shade We're Going Shopping. Just a very natural, beautiful spring, summer flush to the skin. Honestly, in my opinion, this blush will be perfect for like weddings. Honestly, it's just so beautiful. It gives that beautiful little flush. And then the next step is going to be highlighter. I'm going in with the Dior Backstage face palette, and I'm just going to be using these two shades. I'm going to mix those. Face one last spritz. And now the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to do lips, and I'm going in with the Morphe Wild Side lip liner, so it's just a nice red lip liner. And then to top this off, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored, and it's just a beautiful red. When I look at this kind of look, this lip, it just gives me Christmas vibes, and I'm so excited for Christmas. I love Christmas so much. Alright guys, well that is my get ready with me. There's really not much else to it. I'm just going to get ready for the rest of the day, and then yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If not, then don't give it a thumbs down. That'd be mean. But yeah, I'm happy to just film a video again. This was so fun. It was just therapeutic, and it was just kind and nice, and I don't know, I'm just rambling. I have a Central Perks mug, which is nice. Isn't it cute? I just got it from the grocery store. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. Bye.